The bottom line is we produce results. I'll tell you a short story that exemplifies that point. The other day I was in a meeting, and I get called out by my executive assistant. My administrative assistant, Martha Garza, comes in and says, "Sir, the commissioner's on the line and he would like to speak to you." I said, "Okay." So I got up from the boardroom, I was going into my office, and I was trying to think, well, I wonder what commissioner wants to speak to me and how I can help them. So I get closer to my door, I ask Martha, "Oh, Martha, by the way, what commissioner is wanting to speak with me, and how can I help him?" And she says, "No, sir, it's not a city commissioner, it's the commissioner of education. Mike Morath is on the phone and he wants to talk to you." So the first thing that goes through my mind is, okay, this is different. The commissioner of education doesn't call. He's got 1,207 school districts to worry about. He's got thousands of students, thousands of teachers. He runs the Texas Education Agency, and he's on the line. Go to the phone and say, "Hello, this is Jay Gonzalez. How can I help you?" He says, "This is Commissioner Morath. How are you doing?" I said, "I'm doing great." He says, "Well, I'm just calling to let you know that we're very impressed with the work that McAllen ISD is doing. We're very impressed with the results that you all are bringing. And I'm sitting there with a lump in my throat. How well are we doing? I know we're doing well, but why are you calling me?" He says, "Well, it's not 100%, but there's a 99% chance that your district is going to earn an A as a district in the accountability rating of Texas. The accountability rating of Texas. There's a 99% chance." So I said in the calmest voice that I could use, "So you're saying there's a chance?" Those are great odds, 99%, but he said, we can't disclose that yet. And you're gonna be on a very short list of districts of your size that earn that. So, what are you doing in McAllen? And the first image that came to my mind, because I think in pictures and you do too, is what I'm looking at right now. I quickly went back to last year's General Assembly and the energy that was in the room. And I was just thinking of this. Man, if y'all could be up here where I'm standing looking at this beautiful view of all of you, you'd understand what I'm saying. I was thinking of all of you when the commissioner's on the other line asking me how we did it. And then I hear this voice on the other end, "Hello? Hello, are you there? Hello?" I said, "Yo, I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir, I'm here. This just happens to be one of the best calls I've ever received in my professional career. I'm so thrilled. And the way that we do it is we have a fabulous team. And we work as a team. And we're a family. And we have outstanding teachers. We have outstanding leaders. We have outstanding board members. We have outstanding personnel throughout our system. And we work together to make it happen, sir. That's how we do it." Well, be more specific. "Well, we have a value-added progress monitoring system that looks at every child. We break down our TEKs. We look at our readiness standards, our process standards, our supporting standards. We differentiate our instruction. We understand our students' learning styles. And then we go into classrooms and we deliver and bring learning to life." He said, "Can it be replicated?" I said, "Yeah, it can. But you better have a darn good team. You better have great teachers. You better have a committed staff. You better be ready to rock and roll, because it's not going to come easy." Today we found out it's official. We got an A. Yeah! Woo! We got an A. Yeah! All of you did it. We got an A. Thank you all so much for all the hard work. This is one of the best days of my life. We got an A. We got it, man. Here's another thing. We earned a post-secondary readiness distinction for the second year in a row. The post-secondary readiness distinction for the second year in a row. We earned the Financial Integrity Rating System of Texas perfect score on the finance side for the 7th year in a row. That doesn't happen by accident, guys. That's a blessing from above. That's a higher power. We're in this room for a reason. None of that happens by accident. We're all in this room for a reason. We're a family. We made it happen as a family. We're a district of champions.